Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on wherever you are. Today I am presenting a German grapes market report, and again the source of this information is BLE, that is German Ministry of Food and Agriculture, and German Ministry of Food and Agriculture is also a controlling authority which checks the quality of fruits and vegetables which enter into the German markets, and it also prepares various reports about the agriculture commodities that are traded into the German market along with different prices. So there are three different varieties of grapes which are entered or sold in Germany, that is green varieties and red or bluish colored varieties. So what is the average price of grapes? So average price of grapes in euros per 100 kilogram. So the average price comparison is made in 4 different years from 2018 to 2022. So we can see along y-axis is the price in euros, and x-axis is the different varieties with the country name. So in the first we can see that there are two Italian varieties, Victoria and Black Magic, and we can see their price has crossed 200 euro per 100 kilogram. Then is the variety, it's again from Italy, that is Sugra one, and its price has crossed 300 euro per 100 kilogram. Then we can see there are one variety from Spain, that is Sugra one, and then there is a variety from Italy, and they also have almost touched or even crossed 350 euro per 100 kilogram. So then we can see that there is a Italy variety Flame Seedless, and it has even touched 400 euro per 100 kilogram mark. So then is the average price of Victoria variety in euro per 100 kilogram. So we can again the comparison is made among 4 different years from 2018 to 2022, and along y-axis is the price in euro. So we can see that at the start of the week 22, that is around May of the year, so the price has even crossed 450 euro. In 2018 the price was less than 450 euro, but in all other years under reference the price was more than 450 euro per 100 kilogram. That is the Victoria variety of grapes that are green color grapes. So then is when we move along the different weeks, and when we reach to week 30, that is around July August, so we can see the price has dropped down to 200 from 450 to around 200 euro per 100 kilogram. So next is the again the average price of grape variety Black Magic in euro per 100 kilogram. So we can see at the start of the season, that is week 22, which is again period from May onward. So we can see again the starting price is 450 euro per 100 kilogram, and when we move towards week 30, so we can see again the price is dropped down to 200 euro per 100 kilogram, that is around 2 euro per kilogram grape. So next we talk about the major shareholders in German grapes market. The comparison is made for year 2021 and year 2022. So we can see the major shareholder is Italy. In 2021 the share was 65.8%, and in 2022 is 76.2%. The number 2 is Spain. In 2021 its share was 17.8%, and in 2022 its share dropped to 16.2%. And then there are minor shareholders in German grapes market like Egypt, whose share in 2021 was 5.8%, and it dropped down to 3.1 in 2022. Then is Turkey, its share is 5.4% in 2021, but in 2022 it doesn't have any share any major share or dominant share. Then is Greece, whose share is 3.3% in 2021, and in 2022 its share is almost the same, is 2.9%. And then is France. France share is 1.9% in 2021, and in 2022 its share is almost 1.3. So there is not much difference in the share of these countries. But again, the major share is Italy and Spain. They are the major shareholder, although there are some quantities of are also exported from India. India is also a partner in, but the quantities are less as compared with the Italy or Spain or Greece or Egypt or Turkey. So then we talk about the major producer of grapes in Europe. So we are talking about the 1000 tons production per year. So again, we here Turkey is written, which is not the part of Europe, but the data is presented here by the BLE, that is the reference for this report. So in 2019 there was around 20 million ton, and then in 2022 and 2021 it was 1.8. In Italy, then is the Italy, Spain, Greece and Romania. So these are the different producers with the major share of production of grapes in Europe. So with this, I thank you very much for your time, and if you are interested to know more about the fruit market in Germany, or knowing about the different rules and regulations that apply if you want to export fruits and vegetables into Europe or Germany, and what are different fruits and vegetables which have potential of export into German or Europe market, so then you can subscribe to my channel, and I will be keeping you updated about the latest happening in the market. I thank you very much, and goodbye.